Introduction to Apple Pay Contactless Payment. Apple Pay is a digital wallet service that allows users to make contactless payments using their Apple devices, providing a convenient and secure way to pay for goods and services. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits and advantages of using Apple Pay contactless payment. Setting up Apple Pay. To start using Apple Pay, you need to set it up on your Apple device. This involves adding your credit or debit card information to the wallet app and verifying your card details with your bank. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. How Apple Pay works. When you make a payment with Apple Pay, your actual card number is not shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique device account number is used to process the payment, providing an extra layer of security. To make a payment, simply hold your device near the contactless reader and authenticate the transaction with your fingerprint, face, or passcode. Benefits of using Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay contactless payment offers several benefits, including convenience, security, and speed. With Apple Pay, you no longer need to carry cash or physical cards, making it a great option for people on the go. Additionally, Apple Pay transactions are protected by multiple layers of security, reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. Practical examples of using Apple Pay. You can use Apple Pay to make payments at a wide range of merchants, including retail stores, restaurants, and online retailers. For example, you can use Apple Pay to buy groceries, pay for parking, or purchase tickets to a movie or event. Apple Pay can also be used to make in-app purchases and online transactions. Best practices for using Apple Pay. To get the most out of Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and card information up to date. Regularly review your transaction history and report any suspicious activity to your bank. Additionally, always use a secure passcode or authentication method to protect your device and Apple Pay account. Conclusion. In conclusion, Apple Pay contactless payment is a convenient, secure, and fast way to make payments using your Apple device. By setting up Apple Pay and using it to make transactions, you can enjoy the benefits of a digital wallet and reduce the need to carry cash and physical cards. With its multiple layers of security and wide acceptance, Apple Pay is a great option for anyone looking to simplify their payment experience.